Hi guys, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you my second Rocksbox. So this is a $21 a month subscription, and it's a renting service and also a buying service. So you pay your $21 a month, and you can rent the jewelry and wear it as long as you would like and return it and or buy a piece. Before the 21 days is up, if you decide to buy a piece, your $21 is applied to that purchase. This is my second Rocksbox. I will tell you that the turnaround time on this was really fast. I looked and they are located in my state, Ohio, so maybe that is why, but I sent my other Rocksbox back, and I sent all the pieces back what day is this? This is Sunday. I sent it back on Wednesday, and this came yesterday. So, I mean, that's crazy. I have not opened this up yet, so let's dig into it and see what I've got going on. Now, I will remind you that I didn't really care for the pieces in my last Rocksbox, and that's why I sent everything back. You can always, go back and look for those videos. I did the opening and I did a review, and I'll put those down below in the, whatchamacallit. So you open it up and it says time to shine. And inside that, it shows you the pieces that you have been sent. And I got another one of these that says, welcome to the family. And then the jewelry care card. And then I open it up and I have my little burrito of jewelry. So you get 3 pieces of jewelry sent to you, and it's supposed to be high-end costume jewelry. So let's dig in here. Let's see, okay, so let's see what we've got going on here. This return shipping label, so when you send your stuff back. Okay, so I got, the first thing I'm pulling out here is from Kendra Scott. And it is the Eliza necklace in rose quartz, and it's $50. So let's dig in, and it comes in a little plastic baggie. This is actually really pretty. Let me figure this out. There we go. This feels a lot more sturdy than the last necklace that was in there. It really does. I mean, let's see. That print is way too tiny for me to read. But there, I don't know, it probably says, oh, it does. It says Kendra Scott, but that's really, really tiny. But this actually feels more sturdy than the last necklace I got. So this is the ring set. It's dusk, and it is the Fallon ring set, and it retails. Oh, the Kendra Scott doesn't say what it retailed for. Huh. The dusk retails for $65, but the cost to me is $55. It fits me as a pinky ring. I don't know if that's upside down. That's probably upside down. Can you see that? I am kind of messing with my lighting today. I am using natural light in the front of me, and then I put new lighting up there, so I don't know. I like it. I don't know how it's gonna work, but it's a pretty ring. It's a little pretty dainty ring. I did think it was bigger. I wonder if I'm wearing it upside down. Nope, I'm wearing it right, according to the picture. I think that's an opal. I don't know if you can tell, but in the center there, that's an opal. It's the Cheyenne bracelet in gold, and the retail price is $65 and the cost to me is $55. And this is in a little bubble wrap. That's cute. So this is what it looks like, and this feels really sturdy too. All right, let me figure out how this works. Okay, so it just kind of pulls out, and then tightening this on my own is fun. Not fun. Oh crap. This is very difficult to tighten on my own. It has one of these little pulley things. And so that is, I will need assistance with that, but that is what it looks like on. So I think that these 3 pieces are way more sturdier in person. Wait, why would I say in person? That's not what I meant to say. I think that these 3 pieces are much more sturdier than the last 3 that I got. I don't even know why they would send those pieces, why my stylist would style me with those pieces. I don't know. That, to me, that wasn't a very good first impression box. This, to me, would have been a better first impression box. I think that these are way more sturdy, and I will actually consider keeping one of these pieces. I am not sure which piece. I like the ring, but it's just, it's a little too dainty for me, but I mean, maybe it's okay for a pinky ring. I'll have to think about it, and I will get back to you guys to let you know which ones I decide to keep. Have a great day. Bye.